From concept to reality, how Value Coders built a journaling and mood tracking app for clinicians. Discover the inner workings of our groundbreaking creation, an app that revolutionizes mental health support for clinicians. This video unveils the captivating story of building a journaling and mood tracking app for clinicians by our experts.
Healthcare applications serve as a bridge between healthcare providers and patients, facilitating seamless communication, efficient management and real-time monitoring of patient health.
Benefits of a journal mood tracking app. How Value Coders made a journaling and mood tracking app for clinicians. App development process. Technologies and tools used. Other tools: GitHub, Jira, Docker. Iterative approach and continuous feedback loops. We break the project into smaller, manageable parts or iterations. In addition to the iterative approach, we have implemented continuous feedback loops. Our successful case studies for healthcare industry. Online medical services. DB Connect application. Smoothie Nutrition app. Anomaly detection system. Impact of journaling and mood tracking healthcare app. Want to develop such application as your next project? Just contact us today at Value Coders. Visit on www.valuecoders.com.